Hello everyone. Today we're gonna solve the longest substring without repeating characters problem. This is a very popular problem. I think I encountered this problem at least 3 times during my coding interview. Uh, I think TikTok used to ask me this question and used to encounter this question in while mocking interview with other people. So first of all, we need to know what is a substring in this problem. A substring is a string that we choose a consecutive number of character. For example, if we have this string and one substring of this one are gonna be a consecutive number of characters like this, and all we can choose a consecutive like this. And for this substring, we can see that B is duplicated. So this one is not satisfied. And this one is a valid substring in this case. And we have to find the length of the longest one. So how can we do that? We're gonna use uh, a way to count the frequency of all of the value in a substring. For example, if we not only have we, we not only have the English cluster, and we also have the digits and the symbol and also spaces as well. So what we're gonna do is that uh, we're gonna count the frequency of each of the character in this string. For example, we have the frequency of this one is a gonna be something right here. If we start from here, we're gonna have frequency of A is 1, frequency of B is 1, and when we increase this place is 1 as well. And whenever we encounter a duplicate character, we need to eliminate the previous path such that our substring gonna have not gonna have any duplicate character. So which means that intuitively we can think about a two-pointer approach, right? For example, if we change to right, this one gonna be left, right? And we're gonna remove the left character right here. Let's start from here. Gonna remove the left character right here. So this one gonna be 0, and then we increase it by 1, and we're gonna have this substring, and we're gonna continue until we reach the end of of the string, right? And while looping, we're gonna update uh, and from left to right with our longest one. Uh, yeah, that's basically the idea. And let's continue. For this one, we're gonna increase to this, and frequency right now is 2. So we're gonna remove 1b from our substring, right? And we're gonna have the longest substring right now is still 3, and increase this one. The frequency of C is 2, and we're gonna remove the C from our substring, and it's decreased to 1, and we keep going this and this. We're gonna remove A and B, right? B as well, and then we increase B by 1 and keep going until we reach the end of the substring. And for this kind of question, if you counter this one in the interview setting, you should have some question like, do we have number? Because usually the interviewer will not give you any uh, have this constraint, so you need to ask them about that. Should ask them about that, and add these any uppercase value, right? And we should ask that do we have any like special uh, character, special letters like like dot or question mark or thing like this, right? You should ask them about that. And finally, how can we have this kind of mapping? So if we use Python, they're gonna have something like a dictionary, and if we use C++, we have the order map, which is a hash table data structure. So let's start with the coding path. First of all, we're gonna have a left pointer, and we're gonna have the order map, which we map a character with a frequency. Uh, we can also use another set right here, which will have the same performance. And we're gonna have y equal to 0 and y less than. Y we have f. If we have the frequency of the the current character is equal to 1, which means that we already have a duplicate value. We're gonna need to remove the character from the left side. So it's gonna be decrease the frequency of s left, and we're gonna increase left by 1. And finally, we will update the frequency of s right would be 1, and we have to update the rest of the longest one, result longest substring, gonna stay with the y minus 1, and the left plus 1, get the length of the substring from left to right, and longest substring right here. And we should, yeah, right. Okay. Do we have any corner case? I think the corner case we have is if the size equal to 0, we're not gonna do anything. Yeah. And the time complexity would be the length of the string, the space complexity name in worst case scenario. And the topic for this problem is hash table and two-pointer approach. Yeah, that's basically all things for this question. Let's see how it goes. Hit it. Perfect. Wow, it's had around 1,000 test cases. Okay, that's all for this question. If you guys have any question, please leave it below. And if you guys like this video, please subscribe and like so that all the people can know about our solution and this can help all the people as well. Thank you.